Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to plan, set up, and track an email campaign using teamwork.com. Our first step is to plan our campaign. Now that we're logged into teamwork.com, navigate to the Projects tab and click Create New Project. This is where we'll outline our campaign objectives, target audience, and email content. It's crucial to get this right, as a well-planned campaign helps ensure our message resonates with our audience, leading to higher engagement rates. Next up, let's set up our email campaign. Navigate to the Email Campaigns tab and click Create New Campaign. Here, we'll add our email subject, pre-header text, and email content that we planned earlier. Remember, this step is vital because a catchy subject line and engaging pre-header text can significantly increase our open rates. Once that's done, let's add our email list. Click on Add Recipients, upload your email list file, and hit Save. The reason we do this is to ensure that our emails reach our intended audience. Now, onto tracking. After our campaign is live, it's essential to measure its performance. On the campaign dashboard, we can track open rates, click-through rates, and more. This helps us because tracking email performance allows us to make data-driven decisions about future campaigns, improving our effectiveness over time. And there you have it. You've just planned, set up, and tracked an email campaign in teamwork.com. Remember, the key to a successful email campaign is careful planning, setting it up correctly, and tracking its performance. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.